guys, Jordan from Wheeling, BC here. So here's an update on the ZR2 tractor. As you can tell, the grill is off. I got the grill up there. We are going to do a body lift today. I will post a few pictures for updates. So this is the look of it without the body. I do have something else in work. If you follow me on my other accounts, you will start seeing what that is. I have also picked up another small project to do with it. Something that is a quick little fix, upgrade, modification. So stay tuned. Alright, so back from putting the body lift in, it's 90% done. It's got a few small things we got to do left. So this is where we're at now. Sorry, it's dark. I'll give you guys a morning shot here as well. So as you can see, we got the rear bumper and the front bumper in the car still. I got the rear bumper still to modify and bring it up. So see if we can get you guys a shot from back here. It's hard to tell. And same thing, the front bumper's still there. We still got the front bumper on still too. Not a huge difference, but definitely has a little bit more of a lift. So I will give you guys updated shots tomorrow, probably after work. I will hopefully be able to figure that out. It was a long day. I got little shorts here and there showing you guys the angles that we got, how we did it. We used a forklift this time and ratchet straps to pull the car backwards for the rear mounts. It was a little process. It's not a quick 2-hour job like Google says. So once it's daytime, I will get more shots for you guys of the vehicle complete to a point it's at now, and once I get the bumpers dealt with, I'll get that figured out for you guys too. So there you guys go, that is with the grill just sitting in place for now. I still have the air pump for the 4-wheel drive system right there. I have to get more air line and relocate that underneath the hood somewhere. So to relocate that, I need to get longer air line and find a good home to mount it. Got a few ideas of where. I'm trying to keep it so I don't have to extend the wiring, so it limits me to space. Plus I have AC, so it limits me on mounting it for that. To have a condenser where I could mount it in front of the rad, say, to the rad support, but we'll see. I'll let you guys know when I figure that one out. So over the weekend here, I did go on a little road trip. I dropped off my rims. I got rims for this thing. I'll drop a little video here for you guys. They need to get machined. The hub hole needs to be bigger. So I'm gonna get them machined out for that, and I picked something else up and I'll do another video on that product as well. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Stay safe.